Here we are, Berwick station level crossing and East Sussex level crossing. Not that loud. Oh. Very nice. Okay, the train is over here. What are you doing? What are you? Oh yeah, you're going to the station. Yeah, right. I'm gonna go and cross the road and see the LED lights are working. Make sure they're not broken. They're not broken as well. Very nice. I remember these two, the emergency controls. Signal box is still here. Yeah, we're gonna keep it. So we're gonna take a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, and okay, out they go. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe.